pretty smart. She might do it.
Huh?
She got in the second one. Now she's gonna look. She's like, nope, there's no way I can get into the third one. Oh, Furby. You're a hoot. What are you doing?
Now she has to try. You can do it now, Ferb.
You can reach around, you can grab the bag and snake it in the other one. She says, I don't know, I kind of like just being here. What you doing, Furby? Huh? You gonna try some more or no? She's all, no, where are those things from here? She's like, smell them. I just, oh, hey, there they are. So just gotta grab them and get them. There we go. Get your bag, Furby, get your bag. Just grab them. Oh! Atta girl. Now she'll just chew the hell out of the bag. Can you get him out of there? She's like, I got the bag down. Now what do I do? What are you gonna do with him, Furby? Huh? How you gonna get him out of there? How you gonna get him out of there? Rip him out. You gonna get him? So damn it! Open the bag. You want it down now? You want some treats? You want us to open the bag? Poor little Furby. Go get the bag.
My Cheerios in there.
Yeah, kinda. So is your munchie. Munch, munch, munch. Aw, she can't open it. She's not smart enough, Brianna. Look at her. Help me, Brianna. I'm not smart enough. I don't know how to open a Ziploc. She's gonna go back up there and check again, though. Did you give her some? There you go, Furby.